This is the secret. I just told you the secret. Hey, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nanya. Today we have a little hair and makeup tutorial. Get ready with me vibe here. If you want to see how I got to this from this, then just keep on watching. That was so fun. So the vibe that we're going for is a 2000s look, the one that they'll bring a little to the front and have like a bun at the back, but instead we're going to use a ponytail. I just got this simple ponytail. It doesn't even match my hair because my hair is matte black and this is a bit brown and shiny. Well, we're going to have to make it work. First, I'm going to moisturize my hair. I'm planning on keeping this protective style on my hair for a week plus. So I don't want my hair to be dry underneath what I'm doing. So I'm going to use Eco Styling Gel. People, if you have natural hair, I think it's wise for you to use wax because this is water based. I relaxed my hair recently, so my hair is not going to curl back up if I use a water based product. I don't have that brush. If you do, it's easier for you. So first I'm going to carry a bit of edge control and go around my edges. So I tied my hair with a satin scarf and then let it on for 5 minutes, but you can keep it on for longer if you want. It's just to get a little bit of flyaway. Okay. Oh, let's start our makeup. Wow, this is a lot of primer. Using the Zara foundation. I'm going to blend with a sponge because I don't know, I want a more natural looking finish. If you want full coverage, always use a brush. If you want natural coverage, use a sponge. Never forget your next, babes. I'm also trying the clean girl makeup trend. The tiniest bit of concealer possible under your eyes. I always end up putting here because I have a darker mouth area than the rest of my face. Just using the same sponge, just going to blend everywhere over my eyes. So as the under eyes are drying, I want it to be fuller coverage, so I'm just going to go to my eyes. I don't know why I always end up doing motions like this. I don't really have a brow routine to show you guys because everybody's brow is different and everybody's face is different and everybody's brow makes their face. So I don't know, my brows always end up different in every video, but it's kind of with the same vibe. My brows are not going to end up looking the same, so I'm just going to leave them like this. So now that we're done, another tip to avoid creasing. What is wrong with me? Is carry a setting powder, right? And then you just tap off the excess and you just apply it under your eye. That way you're just like you have enough powder for your under your eye, and if you want it brighter, you can add more, you can layer it. This is the secret. I just told you the secret. For the clean girl look, you don't apply what's it called, contour. So I'm just going to go here, filling the powder to make like an imaginary contour on your face. I'm going to use a powder in my normal shade, my Zara powder that I love. I don't even know what eyeshadow look I want to do. I think I'll just do a blush look like I always do. I'm going to apply blush. I'll just carry the excess powder. I'll just do this. Lightly just. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Yeah. I also asked you guys on Instagram if you use wipes to clean your lips before you continue your makeup, but most of you said no. I've forgotten what I wanted to do. In all honestly, for a second I forgot I haven't finished my hair. I'm going to put setting spray. So again, using an ordinary ponytail, you can use any other hair extension that you have. This one comes with a comb here, so you just apply the comb and then there's a strap with hair attachments. I'm just going to put it on. So then I pass it under. I use a pin and I just, so I have macadamia nut oil, just 2 pumps, and I'm going to put it on my hair. I think this is a finished look. I don't know, what do you guys think of this look? If you've watched to this point, comment a makeup brush and I will see you in the comments. Tell me if you like this makeup look. Don't forget to comment a makeup brush and or any brush, a paint brush, any brush that you see, toothbrush. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.